Good day, everyone. My name is Greg, and welcome to the ITV4 101 YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a simple registration form with validation using ASP.NET Web Forms. This project consists of two main parts: the ASPX file for the user's interface and the ASPX.cs file for the background logic. I open the Microsoft Visual Studio and create a new project. Select ASP.NET Web application using .NET Framework, then enter the project name, registration form, and click Create. I choose the web form template. Next, I add a new web form and name it regisform.espx. Inside the form, I create three input fields: the name, email, and age. For the name field, I use a text box and required field validator to ensure the input is not empty. For the email field, I use a text box with both a required field validator and regular expression validator to validate the email format. For the age field, I use a text box with a required field validator and a range validator to restrict the value from 1 to 100. I also include a button control to submit the form and a label control to display the output. In button click event, I use page is valid to ensure all validation pass before processing the input. If valid, the program displays the entered name, email, and age, and the label. Okay, let's try to start. Now we'll run the application and test the validation. As shown, if the input fields are empty, validation messages are displayed. If the email format is incorrect, it shows an error. If the age is outside the valid range, it also displays an error message. When all inputs are correct, the form successfully displays the entered data. Right before we end, here are the case takeaways from this demonstration. ASP.NET Web Forms uses server controls such as text box, button, and a label to build interactive web applications. Validation controls like required field validator, regular expression validator, and range validator ensures correct and secure user input. The page that is valid property ensures that all validations pass before processing the data. Combining validation controls with backend logic helps create reliable and user-friendly forms. Once again, this is Greg. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe.